Ever wondered about the effects of placing a lemon near your bed? Lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content and are commonly used in tea, cooking, and cold remedies. But did you know they possess even more incredible properties? Surprisingly, having a slice of lemon near your bed can improve your health, boost happiness, and aid in combating anxiety. Number 6. Your mood will lift up. The smell of lemon can invigorate you, help you concentrate and stimulate your mental abilities. Also, lemon essential oil is a proven remedy for depression. If you tried all the remedies, but they never helped, pay attention to this bright citrus aroma like lemon or orange, remind us of summer days and makes us feel happier and more relaxed. Grab a lemon and smell it. Your mood will lift up immediately. Number 5. Your concentration and attention will improve. Lemon has another fantastic property. Inhaling its aroma every day, you become more concentrated and your mental activity and memory improve. The smell of lemon makes you work more efficiently and faster. Now that might sound surprising, but people make fewer mistakes at work if there's the smell of lemon. This conclusion was made by Japanese scientists. The studies have shown that programmers make 20% less mistakes if they inhale lavender during work, 33% less with the smell of jasmine, and 54% less with the smell of lemon. Number 4. You will finally relax. The citrus aroma can calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety and relieve tension after a hard day. In the evening, light an aroma lamp in your bedroom and add a few drops of lemon essential oil. The lemon aroma will help you clear your mind and improve your immunity. If you don't have lemon essential oil, use a piece of this fruit. Place it next to your bed, and your insomnia will disappear very quickly. You'll sleep all night like a baby. Number 3. Lemon cleans the air from germs. Lemon has not only a pleasant aroma, but also bactericidal properties. This citrus fruit is an excellent air purifier. It cleans the air in the room very well and makes it fresh. By the way, to get rid of unpleasant odors from your carpets, spray them with the citrus solution before cleaning. Number 2. Lemon brings your blood pressure back to normal. Many people suffer from hypertension and lemon can also help here. It's been scientifically proven that the lemon smell lowers blood pressure. To improve your health, just place a piece of lemon on your bedside. Also, a cup of warm tea with a piece of lemon will bring your blood pressure back to normal. Scientists have found that daily consumption of 1 lemon lowers blood pressure by 10%. Lemon is the most useful for the initial stage of hypertension. Number 1. Insects won't bother you. Ants, flies, mosquitoes, and other insects are unlikely to stay in your house smelling of lemon. You don't have to spend money on chemical repellents to get rid of mosquitoes. Stick cloves into a lemon cut in half. To keep ants out of your home, pour a little lemon juice on windowsills and doorways. Have we missed any uses for lemon on our list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video and click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.